I just want to wish everyone a happy new year and a great new year. And yeah.
It's snowing here in Salt Lake City, Utah tonight, and we're going to have a white New Year's Eve, I think. That's what I'm predicting right here and right now.
Thought it was about time that I show everyone my real, true self. Trucker John is a monkey.
I'm hot, be careful, she average. I'm pressure, yeah. I'm pressurelicious, yeah. I'm pressure.
Do you believe in life after all? Say Happy New Year to everyone. We're almost there. It's almost New Year's Eve. And this year's almost done and over and on to 2023. There's a taco cat on the dashboard.